Okay, here we go to the backyard. Out onto the patio. Let me come over here to the left so you can see. This is the window to the boys' room. This is the sidewalk to the front. Hi, Cameron. And the rest of the backyard. Clubhouse over here. Here we go into the clubhouse. This is where Chandler and Jacob get to go to get away from the little kids and to keep their stuff away from the little kids. There's not much in here yet. We're still working on it, but that's, each of them have a little bucket for their stuff. Air conditioner. I'll come over here to this wall so you can see. So,
Here I am.
there you are.
Here I am.
Okay, we'll come out and see the rest of the backyard. There's not much left. Back up. Okay. And then just down there and down there.